In the prompt, we were given the coding strand, but before we can start the transcription and translation processes, we must first find the template strand, and this is what we get as a result. Because point mutations derive from the template strand, it will appear in every slide from now on as a means of comparison. So here is the template DNA strand. This is the mRNA strand that we get from the base pairings, and these are the amino acids they code for. Since there is a stop codon here, this is where I will stop for examples where it applies, but I will note now that CCC and GGC code for proline and glycine respectively. We don't have to worry about those ones at this moment. For now, we will just use these sets of codons and continue on. The first example of a mutation is a missense mutation. For missense mutations, the mutation will just change the amino acid. It may or may not alter the protein function or make it completely non-functional. I've highlighted in red where the mutation occurs. The AAC turns into UAC, and instead of coding for asparagine, it now codes for tyrosine. The mutation in the template strand is from T to A purine to a pyrimidine, which makes it a transversion. The next type of mutation is a nonsense mutation. This changes a regular codon into a stop codon. I've made the change here so that cysteine will become a stop codon. Because this one comes before the previous stop codon, we can remove that one, and the end result will look like this. This example mutation is from G to T, another purine to pyrimidine transversion. Next is a silent mutation. A silent mutation sees a change in a base pair, but the coded amino acid is still the same. Here, GCU turns into GCC, but they both code for alanine. This mutation is from A to G. This is from one purine to another purine, making it a transition. For the read-through mutation, I'm going to bring back the whole original strand. For read-throughs, a change in the stop codon will turn it into something else and allow the strand to continue on. Here, stop codon UGA turns into UGG and codes for tryptophan. This mutation is from a T to a C, a pyrimidine to another pyrimidine, which makes it a transition.